I'm Jules Stover. I am a methods specialist for Bowery Equipment. Started in this industry 18 years ago working for contractors like Keller and Nicholson, and now I get to play with big machines. The She Knows the Drill short course was originally developed by a committee of women in the construction equipment space in North America for the IFSE conference in 2024. And we've gotten so much great feedback and interest in it, we're taking it on the road. First place is here in Australia.
My name's Stephanie Leckner. I'm the construction manager for Keller Queensland in Australia, and I've been with Keller for 17 years. This opportunity came to Keller a few weeks ago when Bowery reached out directly and offered the She Knows the Drill program. Once James had given me an overview of what the program was about, I thought it would be a great opportunity for our Keller female employees to learn and get to understand a little bit more about what we do and how we do it.
It's really important to be able to provide this type of content to women to improve their knowledge and confidence, to allow them to add value to their roles, no matter what that is in the industry.
Hey, I'm Jackie Beaton. I've been with Keller's for just over 12 months now. I'm a labourer, had the opportunities to operate side loader and concrete pump so far. So today I did the She Knows the Drill course, which was pretty cool course. It was good for Keller to put that on. Jules was really good, very informative, didn't overload us with too much, which was nice.
This women-attended workshop was designed to create an open and honest learning environment for participants to ask open and honest questions. It's exactly the kind of initiative we want to do more of with Keller Women in Construction.